can I connect a Wii U TV controller to an old TV? We're gonna see. Okay, the TV's on, and we're going in the system settings. Alright, TV only. We have to see what this is. It's a Sanyo. S. Scroll down. Alright guys, we paired it. And now we're going to turn it on using the Wii U gamepad. There we go.